is a great opportunity to get a fresh start. Do you ever juice?
I don't juice, but I want to juice. That's why I'm excited about
Good.
today.
Well, we're going to show you how to juice, and every day I start the day with what I call green juice. I really do. I have it every single morning.
Do you feel like it gives you more energy?
Well, it just makes me feel good. I don't start the day, I don't have to have that black cup of coffee.
Yes.
You know, I'd rather have, I do have to have like the small glass. This big is enough to start your day.
Really?
And I think I've gotten a lot of people in my little world up in Bedford to start their day with a glass of green juice.
Oh, wow, I'm gonna have to try it.
And I still eat, during the day, I eat a lot of vegetables and fruits, so it's not like I'm not getting the fiber,
Right.
but I like the vitamins and then the minerals that I'm getting. And I pick my stuff from the garden.
Oh, wow.
You know, luckily especially during the summer months. So this is a great juicer. I have found, I've tried every kind of juicer, but I do
This
love.
looks like a really strong juicer.
This is good, yeah. This is a Breville, and I just love it. And you feed through the feeder tube, and this little pitcher, this is a great thing. You have a little pitcher that fits right here. So you turn this on. Let me see. We'll turn it on high.
Oh,
and
it's
we
not,
start.
I thought it was expecting to be really noisy.
No, we can start with the cucumber. Or you can just feed this in. That's the
Can I
pitcher.
just drop it in?
Yep, just drop it in.
Oh.
Yeah, you can feed that in. Yeah, push. Use that strip.
I don't want to break it.
No, you won't break it. And one beautiful green pear. I like to add a piece of fruit just for a little bit of sweet.
Now you throw the seeds in with the pear?
Oh, everything, yeah, because this is taking all the seeds and stuff out.
Oh, wow.
So just push that down.
Wow.
No peeling. The peel has a lot of good vitamins and some of the essential things in it. And then I put lemon with lemon peel or a piece of orange with orange peel.
Wow.
And
I can't believe you throw all that in.
Ginger. Oh, so good, that ginger.
Oops, sorry.
And then,
I'm already making a mess.
and here's some spinach. We'll just feed that in.
I feel like I'm going to get even
This is your
stronger with
Popeye
this.
juice, yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't have this every morning.
Oh, no, wait till you taste it. You're going to love it. Okay, that's it. Okay. So now, we'll wait till it stops. And so this is like what I like in the morning.
And this is the exact recipe you use?
Oh, yeah. Well, no. It's different every single time. Everybody says, well, what's the recipe? There's no recipe. It's what you have. You could put cabbage. You could put a little piece of garlic if you're feeling a little like congested. But I don't like garlic because it's, you know, stays with you all day. But but I want you to taste. Just take a little sip.
I'm not normally I don't really drink green things, so.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wish me luck. It's not bad.
It's tasty.
I was not expecting that. It's good.
Yeah. It's not sweet, but it tastes. You can actually, celery. I love celery.
It doesn't taste like vegetables at all.
No, good, right? Should we make a juice?
Let's make a juice.
Okay.
Let's start here with our fennel and apple.
Okay, so, and small pieces, right?
Smaller pieces, but for more work that you're going to do on your board, you're going to get more juice, less waste with the machine.
Oh, I see.
So quiet. I mean, some juicers, when you have them on, you can't even, have a conversation.
No, it is quiet. Wow.
Very quiet.
So it's grinding, pressing, and juicing.
It's pressing and extracting.
Oh, okay.
The way I kind of think of it is almost like a boa constrictor.
Oh. All right, that's a lovely thing to think about in the morning. Boa constrictors.
Boa constrictors in your juicer. So we're just going to press this, and you'll see the clarity of the juice. You're also going to get tremendous yield. And here you're seeing the pulp, and it's very dry because all of the liquid is here where you want it to be.
And don't peel. Don't take the seeds out, right?
Seeds, I think you could take out. You'd want to leave the skin.
Oh. Well, the seeds don't hurt you.
Seeds don't hurt, that's true. And we added a lemon too. And the lemon we did peel because we didn't want it to be too bitter, but save those peels. You can candy them, you can put them in water. Okay.
That looks like enough for
That's quite a bit to taste.
Try, yeah.
Okay.
And while that's finishing dripping,
we can start with our.
And another thing about juice, I find that I have to drink it within like 10 minutes of making it.
Oh, you should.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because it just sits and it separates and
the enzymes start to break down in the vegetables, and you want to just make it as fresh as possible.
This one is cabbage.
This one is
carrot.
cabbage. A little bit of watercress. So watercress.
I love watercress.
This is a great detoxifier. So maybe if you've indulged in a little bit too much candy or something else, this is a good way to stimulate your liver.
A little too
Same
much
with-
vodka last night.
Or that. Maybe candy and vodka. So I'm going to add some cabbage. Also great for digestion. Carrots, you know, super high in antioxidants. And then you've got beets that are already cut up over there. Just add those.
Okay.
Get this started. And this would be great in the morning. This would be great as an afternoon snack.
Yes.
To tide you over.
Oh, this looks good. I'm going to pour some of this.
And my beets.
That looks fantastic.
Yes.
Apple and fennel. Yum.
What's better than that?
So here, you can try that.
Okay.
And I will try this. I'm back with Dr. Alejandra Younger, who developed a 4-day detox program for the January-February issue of our Body and Soul magazine. And now we're going to prepare 2 healthy and delicious drinks. The first one is a smoothie, and for a smoothie, you would use a blender, a real strong blender.
Yes.
And this is, I love this one, Breville. I think it's so great. So these are all the things that are going to go in it?
Yeah, we're going to use, this is Swiss chard, right?
Well, no, red kale.
Red kale.
Red kale.
The king of detox vegetables.
Mango.
A lot of fiber, some flavor, a lot of vitamin C.
Avocado.
Avocado is the best.
I love avocado.
The best fat in a vegetable is avocado. So,
Great.
yeah,
Good.
it's
I'm
great.
happy to see that. Some ice, which will make it nice and cold.
Frothy as well.
Yep. Oh, coconut water. I love. Now, is this right fresh out of a coconut?
This is fresh out of a coconut.
Yeah.
It contains a lot of the
I'm gonna take a
electrolytes and minerals. It's good for detoxification.
I love it right out of the coconut.
All this may seem like just recipes, but this is all based on the concept
Real science.
of real science, the Institute for Functional Medicine, in which we know all the chemical processes that are happening in the body. The body is miraculous and it can heal itself, but the reasons why it doesn't is because there's either obstacles, toxins,
Right.
or things that are lacking.
Right.
When you remove the obstacles, which is what we did with the elimination diet, and you add whatever is lacking, everything corrects by itself. And this is what we do. This is our pharmacy
And
here.
almond milk. Now, why almond milk?
Almond milk has a lot of magnesium, and we are a nation depleted on magnesium. Okay. And magnesium calms you down and stabilizes your nervous system.
Okay, we stick this in
Plus
and
taste
blend. It'll blend up. See, this is. How often should you cleanse, Dr. Younger?
Once a year for 21 days is a good plan. But some people need to do it more often because, you know, it's like how often should you shower? When you should shower whenever you're dirty.
Right. Now, you know, this is great because this does not take the fiber out of it, right?
Yes, exactly.
So, so blending is different than juicing, and we're going to juice in 1 second, but I just want to pour this out and see what it tastes like. It smells delicious. That almond milk is good. Yummy. So this has all the fiber. Nothing's...
This has all the phytonutrients nutrients from plants.
Now, I wanted to ask, on a cleanse, how much of this should you drink? You can drink too much, right?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
But the thing is, if your concern is weight loss, the less you eat, the more the weight loss. But you do need to have a certain amount of nutrients so you can support life and you can support the detoxification process.
I'm going to drink that. That's really good.
I like it.
Good. Now, this is a juicer. And if you don't have a juicer,
Get one.
get one, because it really is. It's a fantastic machine.
Yeah. It's the best investment for your
health. And I got
health.
this one because it's easy to clean, and it's a Breville one too. And I just want to tell everybody in the audience is getting one of these.
Me too.
What's phenomenal about this machine is you can put everything whole in here. You don't have to core the apples. You put this. You just. I don't know if it'll fit. No. No. I cut it up a little bit.
There's one of the models of Breville which
yes,
it does fit.
it has a very powerful. They have very powerful machines, but these are so great. So this is fennel, apple.
Fennel has
lemon.
great anti-inflammatory properties like
it's
quercetin.
so good for you.
Yes.
So good for you. And just
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yep. And here, we'll just put this back in here so we don't make a mess. Sorry.
So there you go. Like that.
Thank you. There you go. And use that strength of yours. And this makes, in 5 seconds or so, it makes a lot of juice. Okay? A little bit more fennel, apple. Oh, no, don't forget the whole lemon. A half of a lemon peeled. I don't even peel it.
Yeah, me neither.
I don't peel it. There. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. I want to taste that one too. So this is, yeah, hold that because this comes off. You're gonna love this so much. So tasty.
This is
Like
great.
liquid lemony licorice. It's so good.
And this is really easy for the body to digest. These
Right.
are nutrients that are going like fuel injection into your blood to support the detoxification process.
What differences will people feel? What will I feel after I do my detox?
Weight
In
loss
4
is
days,
one of...
in 4 days will I feel something?
Absolutely.
What about in
Absolutely.
10 days?
10 days is much better,
Yeah.
but 4 days starts giving you the taste of the weight loss, the feeling of lightness. You start getting the glow in your skin, the white around your eyes start turning really white. It's a whole different thing happening where your mind is clear as well.
Well, I'm starting now. I'm going to drink so much of this juice. And you should too, because it really is a good thing.